In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, has become essential for effective B2B marketing. This course, AI for B2B Marketing, is designed for individuals with beginner to intermediate experience in machine learning who are eager to apply these skills in a business context. Participants will explore how to build robust B2B marketing models utilizing machine learning techniques, enabling them to make data-driven decisions that enhance marketing effectiveness. You will learn to identify and interpret B2B intent data, gaining insights into customer behavior and preferences. This understanding will empower you to prioritize marketing efforts based on the propensity for ad sales, ensuring your strategies align with customer needs. The course also focuses on augmenting traditional marketing departments with AI-driven models, providing you with the tools to optimize campaigns and improve ROI. Through practical exercises and real-world examples, you will develop the skills necessary to implement machine learning solutions that can transform your business's marketing approach. By the end of the course, you will be equipped to build, analyze, and implement innovative marketing strategies that drive engagement and growth in the B2B sector. Join us to elevate your marketing expertise and harness the power of AI in your business.